The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, western Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, eastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, western Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin, until 6 p.m. At 5:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Spring Green to near Mineral Point to near Shadow, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. These storms have a history of producing tree and power line damage, along with numerous measured gusts of 55 to 65 miles an hour. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include western Madison, Middleton, Waunakee, Monroe, Verona, Mount Horeb, Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Darlington, Cross Plains, Belleville, New Glarus, Mazo-Lamy, Shorewood Hills, Black Earth, Shellsburg, Monticello, Argyle, Blanchardville, and Apple River. Other landmarks included are the following locations: York Memorial Church and Hives Mill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.